Hey guys, welcome back to another tech update. So Umidigi has announced another 5G phone. It is called the Umidigi A13 Pro Max 5G. This device should not be confused with the A13 Pro 5G. It is a completely different device and it is far better than the A13 Pro 5G. In my opinion, it is the best phone released by Umidigi in 2022. I was able to gather some of the specs of the upcoming device, and I'll be sharing the specs of this device with you guys in this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the phone is expected to be powered by the Dimensity 900. This is the same chip that powers the Bison GT2 series and the upcoming Ulefone Armor 18T. The phone would have 12 GB RAM and 256 gigs internal storage. This setup, this configuration is similar to the configuration of the upcoming flagship from Ulefone, the Ulefone Power Armor 18T. As for the display, the device would flaunt a 6.8-inch hole punch display. The resolution is Full HD Plus and the refresh rate is set to be 90 Hz. It's good but not as impressive as the refresh rate of the upcoming Ulefone Power Armor 18T and the Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. Those two upcoming rugged flagships from Ulefone flaunts a 120 Hz display, far better than the refresh rate of this upcoming flagship. As regarding the camera, the device would have triple cameras at the rear. The main camera is said to be a 64 megapixel camera, and at the front the hole punch houses a 24 megapixel camera for selfies. It's going to ship with the Android 12 OS and it's going to be equipped with a 5150 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. Impressive specs, guys, impressive specs. I don't think this device can be bought from anywhere. It's not available yet, but Umidigi is currently promoting the device, so I think it's only a matter of time before they officially release it. Anyway, what do you guys think about this upcoming beautiful flagship from Umidigi? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.